Everyone is talking about AI right now. Every day there's a new tool, a new agent, or even a new automation that's supposed to save your hours. But I think most business are starting in the wrong place, in the wrong way. They jump straight to choose the tools and build automations before understanding if the process, if the task is ready to be implemented. Because not every process or task is ready to get AI or ready to be automated. And today I want to show you how to identify the right opportunities and find the process that are worth automating. So yeah, by the way, my name is Nathan. I help service business to save time and improve their operations by using AI, and also I help them to implement and remove repetitive tasks. One of the biggest mistakes I have seen is business trying to automate process before they are actually ready. So the question is, where do you start? I would say start with process that you already understand, the ones you know the steps, the exact steps, you know the outcome, and you know what needs to happen in order to get the result. Because they're not, if they are not going to change, so now it's just repetition, and that's where we want to automate. We just automate repetitions. Maybe it's answering the same customer questions, following the same booking process, or handling the same admin tasks every day or every week. And those processes are worth automating because they're not replacing thinking, you're just removing repetitive work. And that's where business start seeing real value from AI. So before you look at AI tools, before you hire someone, before you build anything, ask yourself if this process is ready to be automated. If the answer is no, I would say keep doing manually a little longer, improve it, learn what works, then automate it once instead of rebuilding and re-automating 3 or 4 times. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say today. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to find your first AI opportunity without wasting time on the wrong process. Thank you.